ilan ang
Ayun lang.
Oh, kiunan man na siya kuan ilan. Wala ang dahon.
Ang ano niya.
Ay, dili na may sago ng dahon.
Kana si Blanca na.
Si Blanca na.
Hello guys.
Ay, sili.
Nakalingi sila pa ingon ako, hello guys.
Oh, part 2 na sa.
Ang problema sa hello ka, mag-vlog na sa siya. Ala ka dis lang pamansin sa ako kay si kayo.
Isa sa sugod.
So naanasad ni karon sa Lantapan. It's our 8th Sunday nga naasan Lantapan. Ga-lunch. Hello, permanente ta diri ga-lunch no. Naingan mi kang tita siya. Ayan mi ipa-lunch. So kamulo siya gahagpat og sa imo gahagpat na
Kala, sungo.
kamulo siya hagpat sa iyang kuan kailangan gid daw tagsara gid kadahon dili na nga magtanawa. Tanawa. Oh, iya pa gid ang kailangan gid daw isa gid daw kadahon dili pwede nga mag tulo lima.
Dapat faithful. Dapat faithful. Faithful. Faithful.
My God! Wow!
Isagol niya sa
Ikaw lang manok.
and karon hala di naman ta magtagalog kay human naman ang August.
Oh.
Here's Beshi
Magdita
again.
na punta og masustansyang
Ang iyang lutuon kay
Anak, kangkong.
siya ay tawag ani.
Para na sa baboy.
Sa name ana Beshi?
Adobong kangkong.
Nagluto siya og adobong kangkong. So kamulo na niya ginagisa. First, we'll gisa the corn. Alam mo, English na sa kay September. Kasi man naman ang corn. First, we will saute the onion and the garlic. Okay.
Of course.
Beshi,
So,
we will speak only English, okay?
okay. Ah. So, karon.
So we're done with the
So now,
Tagalog speaking.
So now,
So-
how to cook this is the onions and garlic
Yes.
until they're golden brown. Yes. Yes. Yeah. It's true. Golden
Yes.
brown, of
So-
course. And also, the next step is to put the kangkong.
No, the kangkong is Tagalog and Bisaya. What is the English of kangkong?
I don't know. I don't know. What is called that in English that?
What's the English of kangkong?
Yes.
The English of kangkong is spinach. That's water spinach.
What do you mean? It's something this. What do you mean?
We just saute the kangkong.
Oh.
Oops.
Oops. Okay.
The Tagalog of oops is oops. If it's English, it's oops.
Oops.
We will just wait.
Okay, you have the smooth the what you need it. Also as kangkong, I don't know, did not like
What did
this.
you say?
Oh.
You smoothen the
This
kangkong.
very smooth the I taste this like this. Oh really? Okay, so
So,
okay.
okay.
After that, you put the number one the most this is oyster sauce. Yes.
The most what?
Oyster sauce and just slowly. Slowly.
You put the
a little
oyster
bit,
sauce in
little
slow
bit,
motion.
just little bit lang
What? A little bit?
because you can taste it is the salted sweet. Yes, salted and sweet.
Yes. The taste of the oyster sauce is a little salty and a little sweet.
Yes.
So what's
So
next? Sushi.
and is that I'm not put the the sabaw in English. So
What is the English of sabaw?
soup.
Soup.
So no need to put the not attached. Not attached.
Do not touch the water.
Okay, so again, what is this? And until the cook, do not overcook. Okay, so
How are you
so
gonna
wait for a
not
while,
overcook?
a few minutes.
So, okay, we're
Of
gonna wait.
course, there's a wait for a while. So
We're going to wait for
Oh,
how
wait.
many minutes, Beshi?
just like a few seconds.
Seconds? 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, no more sabaw.
Okay. No need to sabaw. This is very smooth and moisturizer in the
So this is
kangkong.
the
Yes.
sauteed kangkong
So
ala
how taste?
Beshi wap. Is it cooked already, Beshi?
Yeah, that's all. It's really very easy.
The
It's
fire
not
is
long
there.
time to cook. It's a very fast.
So,
The fast in the cook in kangkong. Yeah, right.
the first in the cook.
So easy. It's
So this
really
is
cool.
how easy?
Oh, very easy.
Very easy to prepare
Yes.
the sauteed
Perfect.
kangkong.
So, have a
Adobong
taste.
kangkong.
How it tastes?
So let's have a taste. So you video me, Beshi wap.
Okay. So go.
So I'm
Oh, what
going
is
to,
it? Get the.
can I borrow the churva?
Okay. So
So where I'm going to get the, okay, this one.
yes.
This is hagpatized by Pia. Pia, why is this so long? So we're going to taste the kangkong.
How is it?
It tastes better than your boyfriend. Mas Beshiwap.
Well.
It's very good. So the kangkong is ready and the
Sinonang manok.
Sinong
Also
manok.
has Chicken. The man. What and the man is abis in the kinilaw.
the man is on tour.
It's ongoing.
The ongoing tour of the boots
The
of the
very-
Kinilaw.
Very.
This is a Bangus Kinilaw by Boots. Pia, what is the English of Kinilaw? Kenneth, what is the English of Kinilaw?
I don't know.
How about you?
I don't know. And I'm not otherwise English speaking.
Did you know that the English of Kinilaw is ceviche?
Huh?
Ceviche. Okay, let's see if it's right. Ceviche. You Google it. What is the English of Kinilaw? Yeah, that's ceviche. Ceviche.
Familiar.
I'm not sure of the Kuan. I'm not sure of the pronunciation. Okay, you ask the Google. So, we have here a ripe, super ripe, overripe,
Very sweet.
very sweet.
Very sweet.
What do you call this one? Papaya. And here is a not so very ripe papaya. So what's that, Pia? You show me what you're holding, Pia. Adobong kangkong. This is adobong kangkong
Wow.
It's the
by
most Filipino
Beshi
Filipino
Ryan.
dish in Kangkong.
We have here native chicken tinola by Sishan and a kangkong, adobong kangkong by Beshi Ryan. The ceviche, milk fish by peeled papaya, peeled by Kenneth, the juice by Pia Guanyong. Wala ko siya akong roll. Wala ko yung roll. Ako nagbuhat.
Yung video.
And I'm the videographer of them all. Shan, what is the English of Kinilaw?
Raw fish.
The dish. The dish, not the fish.
Sashu, ano to? Ano sa dito?
Ceviche.
Sashumi, ano to?
Sashimi?
Sashimi.
The truth is a ceviche.
It's ceviche.
Unsa?
It's ceviche, Pia.
Ceviche.
Kamu ko kinilaw na pala Pero mag-bisod-bisod ka yung kakaon na tayo.
So, nasi ma'am.